Hey there, this is Mitchell T. Palmer. As I say in all of my videos, you know my name, damn it. Listen, I'll put that aside because what I want to do is thank you for coming here and getting this far. You're now on the page where you can receive my 7 tips for a more comfortable shave without the irritation. Perhaps with these tips, you too can learn how to enjoy your face shaving as a ritual rather than as a chore. So, I'd like to invite you to make sure and scroll all the way down. Each of these secrets, numbered 1 through 7, is a flip card. If you click on the tip, it will flip over and provide you with a little more information. I'd also like to encourage you to make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom because there is a bonus video tip available for you there. This is one of the most important aspects of a comfortable face shaving ritual. Again, thank you very much for coming. I'm glad to see you here, and I look forward to having more opportunity to talk to you in the future.